if you are trying to make any shiny surface completely matte, I have to show you, this is just an update video. I filmed a video 2 years ago where I took these pictures and like 4 other surfaces, and I didn't hold on to the rest of them, but I did hold on to these, so I wanted to do an update video. And in that video, I tested regular Elmer's, clear glue, Liquitex, and Mod Podge. And what I was looking for was which one dried the most matte and which one had almost no brush strokes. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out because the results were completely they were crazy. But 2 years later, I get all kinds of questions about that video. And the main 3 questions I wanted to answer: did it turn yellow? Did it cause warping in the surface? And did it crack ultimately? And as you guys can see, if you watch that video, you can see these are 50 something pictures. I use these all the time for different photo prompts that I'm doing. And where's the one from the actual video? These 2. There were a couple, but these 2. Guys, look, this is literally 2 years and a few days later. And you can see, let me show you from the side. No cracking, no warping. It is certainly not yellow. There are no brush strokes. I mean, what you see here is that was there. You can go back and look at the video. I just didn't bring the Elmers all the way to the top of the corner. Once I put this on, it never changed. And also, I mean, just in case you're worried about using it on your project, you guys can go look at that video, which I will link here. Look at the comments. I mean, there are so many people who used that method and were like, oh my God, you saved my project, and let their words speak louder than mine, right? It works. And I put all of them on with just like a regular foam brush, just like this. I get this question a lot. So I just wanted to show you guys for yourselves. The results don't change. Once it dries, that's what it's gonna look like permanently. I mean, Elmer's glue, which, you know, spoiler alert, is the one that won. I know, glue. I use this all the time for my crafting projects when I wanna seal them. It just, I mean, it worked the best, period. Go check out the video. The results don't lie. No brush strokes and completely matte. Insane. And I know it will do the same for your project. So guys, let me hold up a few others. I mean, just so you can see. These pictures, go look at the other video. Again, shiny. They were like normal pictures. I had all of these printed at Walgreens and I went over them with Elmer's glue. The craziest result, and I just wanted to show you an update so you have the confidence to use this on your project. I hope you guys found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.